Hey y'all, it's Shay and I'm going to show y'all how I did this fairy garden nail design that's been trending. I'm here with my girl Tish and we're just going to buff up her nails real good, and then we're going to go in with a quick shaping just to get that tapered square shape that we all love. And then I'm going to spray it down with some alcohol to remove all of that dust, and then I'm going to take some acetone and wipe the nails down and get them prepped for gel polish. Now this is I don't know, child, just a little Beatles pink polish that I found on Amazon. Nothing special, nothing crazy. I just went in with 2 coats of that and then 1 coat of matte polish because it's always easier for me to do a French design on top of a matte top coat. And now I'm going in and doing my French with a dark green color and a liner brush. I usually just draw a line down the middle and then just swoop the sides in towards that middle line, and it helps me a lot. And then I just fill it in with a gel brush. Look at that, so cute. And now I'm going in with a Koopa top coat because it's going to be hard to top coat that pink base after you put the moss on it. So I just did that first. And now I'm going in with my little flower charms, and I just used all the colors and I just went crazy with it. There was no rhyme or reason to it. I just did what I wanted to do. Now I'm going in and just top coating them to make them shiny and to add the little beads in there. You can use rhinestone gel to add the beads, but I just use top coat because I don't really care that much. This is my girl Tish. She's not keeping these nails on long. So now I'm going in with the Macart rhinestone gel to add the moss. And this is just some moss that I found at the Dollar Tree. And I just cut it up with some scissors, and now I'm adding it to the nail. And then I took my little flashlight and I flash cured. And then after the flash cure, I went in the big lamp, and this is how they came out. These were so fun. I really enjoyed doing something like super creative. It took a lot of time, but it was fun. And I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I'll see y'all soon.